Wow, it's kind of awkward. Yeah. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know you guys see my basket in the back. Ignore it. Ignore it. This video is going to be my go-to makeup look. I know I keep moving. I should just put this down. Just put you down and move you up. Okay. It is currently 2:57. It took me a long time to do this. Video. Half the time I was just fucking around. This is the end look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Hello, how you doing? Okay, I just curled my hair really quick. I noticed that in most of my videos I don't really do my hair. It is about almost 2 a.m. almost 20 minutes till I felt like filming, so yeah, here we are. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. What I usually do first is I prime my face. I use 2 different primers. I go in with the TooFaced Hangover Replenishing face primer first. It looks like this. Just put it all over my face. I go in with this primer and then I go in with this one. I kind of wanted to use another primer that I have, but usually I go in with this one. This one is like my favorite. There we go. I usually put this one on my nose area, under my chin, and like kind of like where it's like has like a lot of pores. It's been about like, I'd say like 6 months since I got it. But it looks like these. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it where I have a shit ton of pores. So like right here on my nose. If anything, it makes my face feel hella greasy. Shit. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a color corrector. This is in Brightening Peach by Pixi. Looks like this. This is like their Correction Concentrate. I'm gonna put it under my eyes and like wherever I have like dark spots. I'm just gonna tap this in with my finger and I will be right back. Okay, now that I have blended that into my skin, I'm going to conceal. I'm gonna use my NARS Creamy Pot Concealer. This is in the shade Biscuit. I'm just gonna go in with my finger. And then I'm going to go in my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to put a dot here, a dot here, a little bit on my nose, on the areas that I put the spot corrector, and then a little bit on my forehead. And I'm just going to blend it really quick. After I do my concealer, usually I'll go in with my base makeup, which is my foundation. Depending on how I feel for the day, I'll either go light or full coverage. But if I'm going light, this is what I would use. This is the Laneige BB Cushion Poreblur, and I have this in the shade number 33 Cinnamon. And if I'm trying to go like heavy on my makeup and go like full coverage, I would go in with the NARS Radiant Long Wear Foundation. But since I'm not going anywhere, I'm just gonna go in with my light foundation, and I usually just dip in here. all down. I know my lips look kind of dry, but my lip mask is in the other room. Now that I've let my foundation and concealer kind of like dry down, I'm gonna go in with some powder. I just got the 3CE ones, but this is the one that I've been using. It's from Bakerie. It's the flower setting powder, and this is in translucent. Yeah, I feel like this is the only powder that'll like set my under eyes really nicely. And then what I've been doing is I've been just going in with these two, and I dust these, like I'll mix these both and then I'll dust it all over my face. And I'll just set it. I'll be back. My daughter just woke up. You guys probably can't see her, but she's behind that pillow. Put some on here. I'm going to kind of just I usually take this and I'll dust it off over this. I know it's a lot of powder, but I promise it'll come together after. Then I usually just pat it into my skin. Now I'm going in with contour. I'm going to be using the 3CE face contouring palette. Okay, now I'm gonna go do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Okay, I have some brows on. Now I'm gonna go in with some highlighter. I know this is like weird steps, but this is what I do. I don't have any new highlighting products to use. For an everyday kind of subtle highlight, I usually go in with my Charlotte Tilbury. Like this, the mirror is really dirty. But this is like the Filmstar Bronze and Glow palette. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeshadow. The palette that I'm gonna be using is this palette and this palette. I'm gonna be using this shade right here to dust all over my lid. I'm gonna go in with the color Twinkle. I guess this is what it's called, or is it called Shooting Star? I think it's called Shooting Star. This one. I'm gonna sweep this in my crease. Looks like a bunch of dirt on my eye. But yeah, just disclaimer guys, I am not a makeup artist. I just like doing makeup on myself. Okay, I'm gonna go in. I'm just gonna go back and forth. In my 3CE palette, I'm gonna go in with this brown shade. Just tap it in there. And I'm gonna go in a little bit lower than my crease. Yeah. Same with the other side. Oh shit, I grabbed way too much on this side. It's okay. It'll be fine. Okay, now I'm gonna grab a fluffy brush, and then I'm gonna grab that Shooting Star. I'm not sure how this palette goes, but I'm gonna grab that Shooting Star shade again, or I think it's called Twinkle. I don't know. I'm gonna sweep over that again. It is very well my crease shape. I think I'm gonna go in with this shade and just build it up at the end. For all over the lid, I'm gonna be using, I'm just gonna say this color. I'm gonna be using this color in the Dream Street palette on the other side of this one, the one that I've been using in my crease shade. And I'm gonna use my finger. And then I'm going to tap it all over my lid. Now I'm gonna go with like a smaller brush, and then I'm gonna do whatever I did to the top to the bottom. I'm gonna do that really quick and then I'll be right back. I'm done. This is what the eyeshadow looks like. It looks kind of choppy, but I'm getting tired. Okay, from here usually I go ahead and I put on some eyeliner and some mascara. I got it on my nose. Fuck. It's okay. Okay, from here, I will set my face. My favorite to use is the Morphe continuous setting mist. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. I'll just keep your face really still and look like a dumbass for whenever it dries. Okay, I'm not finished with my look. I'm so dumb. I forgot to put on some lipstick or something. This is the lip definer that I've been using for like years. But yeah, I'll just put this all over my lip. Now I'm done with my my makeup look. I think I'll be trying to post at least once a week. If I don't do any makeup videos, I'm gonna be at least posting like a vlog or something. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day wherever you guys are. I love you guys.